మేడం కనిపిస్తుంది. మమత
College. I thank each and everyone who has taken part in this program. I especially thank the management staff members of both college and school who has taken part in this celebration, who have performed well, spent so much time for practicing various dances, skits, etc. and entertaining us. I thank all the students for maintaining discipline. Last but not least, I thank God for providing a wonderful and pleasant weather. Thank you.
We're having holidays till 14th, Diwali holidays. 12th and 13th are Diwali holidays and 14th is Children's Day, so you will not be coming to school. So you will be coming back only on the 15th of November. Are you clear about it?
Clap! మీకు ఒక సంగతి చెప్తాను. ఉపేందర్ కనుక ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్ చేయలేకపోతే స్టేజ్ కిందకు వచ్చేస్తాడు. ఒక్కసారి స్లో మోషన్ చూపెట్టాలా? ఓకే, ఒక్కసారి చూపెట్టానా? చిన్న అంతేనా అన్న? ఇంకొకసారి ప్లీజ్.
I'll let you go. I could take it, you'll never forget. You take a chance, so you'll never ever know. I got money in my hands that I really like to blow. Swipe, swipe, swipe. If I was your boyfriend, I'd never let you go. I could take you places you ain't never been before. Baby, take a chance, so you'll never ever know. I got money in my hands that I really like to blow. Swipe, swipe, swipe. I don't know about me, but I know about you. So say hello to the 7 and 3, 2, swipe. Like to yeah, let me talk to you. If I was your boyfriend, you never be alone. I can be a gentleman, anything you want. If I was your boyfriend, I'd never let you go. I'd never let you go. What you like, yeah, tell me what you don't. I could be a Buzz Lightyear, fly across the globe. I don't ever wanna fight, yeah, you already know. I'ma make you sound right.
Sweet side. Only the children of class 6. Not all the children. Only the class of 6 children will go.
Yeah. Children, girls, wait. 2 minutes. Itrande. ఛానల్ కాదు నాన్న ప్రైవేట్